Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix not enough storage in Amazon Music. So if your app shows not enough storage, it means your phone does not have enough free space for downloads. So actually guys, first you will need to check your phone storage. So just go with your device settings, and after that you will need to scroll to the general tab. So it's the first option, as you can see on my phone, okay? And then just go with the iPhone storage. It's the third option below, and right here you will need to see how much free space is available. So Amazon Music downloads need extra space beyond the song files. Also, you'll need to free up space, so just delete unnecessary files like the old downloads, like music, videos, podcasts, extra, and unused apps, and install them. Also, the photos and the videos, you can move them to the cloud or SD card. And also, guys, I do really want you to change download location, and that's only works for the Android. So if your phone supports an SD card, you will need to open the Amazon Music settings and then just go with download settings, and then select download to SD card instead of international storage. So how you can do that, you will need just to go back to the Amazon Music, tap on the profile icon that's located at the top left corner, and after that go and tap on the settings option. The option that you can see at the bottom, or it's actually the third last option, okay? So settings, and here at first you will need to have a plan like the unlimited Amazon Music or the Amazon Music Unlimited, so you will be able to see the download settings option. So just tap on that option, download settings, and then select download to SD card instead of international storage or internal storage. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.